Plunder chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of the original rules of chess, check out this video. During setup, place the vests to the side. Whenever a piece is captured, the capturing piece has the option to plunder the captured piece's moves. To plunder the moves, take an available vest from the side of the board that matches the captured piece and place it onto the capturing piece. If you capture a piece that already has a vest on it, then you may plunder that piece's vest instead if you like. Pieces may only have one vest at a time. A piece with a vest is allowed to perform any legal move of the piece's symbol on that vest one time. This is called a vest move. After a vest move, remove the vest from the piece and return it to the side of the board so it can be used again later if needed. Pieces may still perform their conventional moves while wearing a vest without losing that vest's ability. If you capture a piece with a conventional move while wearing a vest, you must either decline plundering the new piece or you must remove your current vest before plundering the new one. If you capture a piece with a vest move, you must first remove the current vest before plundering your opponent's piece. You do not have to plunder if you don't want to, but you may not plunder for that capture at a later time. You may not plunder a piece that has the same moving capability as the capturing piece. For example, a queen may not plunder a rook, bishop, or queen. All pieces, except for pawns, may plunder pawns in order to gain their en passant move. Knights, bishops, and kings may also plunder a pawn's double step move option, as well as the condition to be captured by en passant. A king may not use a pawn vest move for the double step move if en passant is present. The pawn vest does not allow any piece to promote to a higher rank piece. Pawns are allowed to use their vest move in order to promote. If a pawn wearing a vest uses a conventional move to promote, then whatever vest it is currently wearing will be transferred to the promoted piece so long as that vest adds movement potential to the promoted piece. Promoted pieces may not gain a pawn vest upon promotion, nor does a pawn vest promote to a different vest when reaching the farthest row. If a pawn uses a vest move to return to its second row, it regains its double step move option as well as the condition to be captured by en passant. A knight vest move allows pieces to jump over other pieces. Castling is allowed like normal unless a vest move threatens an open space between the rook and king. Vests automatically and immediately check an opponent's king. There is no limit to the number of times a vest can check a king. It is also possible for a king to check or even checkmate their opponent with a vest so long as they remain out of check. Kings may use their vest move to escape check. A king's vest move is allowed to slide through check so long as the king doesn't end on a space in check.